Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix not receiving text messages on your iPhone, and here is how we can fix it. So let's get started. First, we have a quick method that is all about you have to try with turn on airplane mode. So just go over here and tap on the airplane mode. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and you can turn this off. Tap on it. Now you have to check, that might work. In some cases, if that is not working, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we need to try a forced restart on your iPhone. So if you don't know how to do a forced restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button. But there is a common mistake that everyone do. That is all about they press the volume up and volume down, then just wait for a couple of seconds, then they press the power button here, which accidentally turn on the Siri. So make sure you do this particular process in a quick second. So what you need to do is you can just go over here, press the volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button over here and listen until you see the Apple logo. Now once you see the Apple logo, just wait for the phone to get completely restarted once again. Now just unlock your phone and you have to check whether you are able to fix the issue or not. If it's not working, don't worry. What you need to do is just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the general, and we have to do a reset network settings. So scroll down and tap on the transport and reset iPhone. Now from here go to reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So what happens is you'll be losing all the things like Wi-Fi is connected and all those things will be completely lost. You have to connect it back. But even though this particular reset network settings did work good for many users, we can try this out. So these are the 3 steps you can try when you're having an issue with not receiving text message on your iPhone, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.